Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have these smart Wi-Fi lights, and these are super cool. They'll connect up to your 110 outlet, and they replace your existing little puck lights if you have those little 3-inch puck lights. So let me show you what it is here, and they can change colors and everything. So I'll show you guys what it looks like here. I'll show you the instructions first. So this is kind of it here. So if you need some instructions, you can pause and zoom in if you've already bought this and have any questions. And the way it will connect up, it looks like you can even kind of chain them together. But this is it. Comes with a pack of 4. And so you've got 4 of these little lights. So these are the lights, and they'll connect up into your, when you have that hole where you have your current puck light, you can kind of stick it up in there, and then it kind of snaps into place around the drywall to hold it in place. And then this all sticks up in there, and this will connect up to your existing wiring. And it's got those really cool connectors where you can kind of push the button here. So you can just push that side, stick the wire in, push the other side, stick the wire in, and that's it. So you're connected up just with those 2 wires. I'll show you on this side here because it'll probably come off. Yeah, so you see it's got those cool connectors. So you just push it, comes in, push it, comes in, and there you go. And then once it's connected up, then you'll have your connection to it, which will be through this one here, Quick and to Smart Control Devices. So you'll have the Smart Life app. So if you used Tuya or Smart Life in any of the other devices, those are like the most popular control units. I use that for all my cameras and things like that around the house too. So you've got your little QR code to install that app, and then these are the instructions to use that if you haven't used that app before. But basically you'll just set it up, and on the app you can choose the color and let it go, and a different device, and it really finds the devices. I guess it's wireless through Bluetooth or something through this, or Wi-Fi. I guess it would be Wi-Fi through this. So it'll be Wi-Fi. And so you get a pack of 4 of these, and you'll be able to change your colors and different lighting and everything like that. So how cool is that? Super cool. So these are really neat, and I like these. And these are 110 connectors. So right here, I have really, really big lights. So they're not going to fit into my kitchen here, but in the new house that we're building, we have some little nooks and stuff. So that's kind of what these are good for, like nooks or areas where you need more lights. But you can also get a good, whiter light out of it as well. So these are cool. I like them. So thumbs up from me.